How to add fans to SignalRGB. So you're gonna have to make sure your device or your fan is supported first. So go ahead into your website. You can find this here, or you can find it in the app as well. But their website is also an option. So go ahead to SignalRGB and go to supported devices and just go to the fan section, since that's what you want to go for. So look for the brand and the specific model. So whatever these icons over here, this is a component requiring additional setup in SignalRGB. So you're gonna have to take a look at the extra information first, but it's gonna be specific as well. So again, take a look at the brands as well. And if the model is there on the list, that means it will pretty much connect to SignalRGB. So just go ahead directly into your app at this point. Once you're in your app, go ahead into your settings and make sure the conflicting programs is automatically closed. So when this is enabled, SignalRGB will attempt to automatically close all conflicting programs while it's running. So go ahead and turn this on. Make sure everything down here is also turned off, so to the left. But once you pretty much finish the extra additional setup that you read for your specific model, it will directly pop out over here in the devices section. Just go ahead to that device or your fan, then you can pretty much just do whatever you want with it. You can enable it if you want, or disable, change your name, options, and whatever. But that is pretty much how you connect and verify that you can connect your fan to SignalRGB. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.